Okay, we're gonna go into executive session. The public notice is given that the Commissioners Court may elect
Com-
to go into an executive session
Commissioner.
anytime during the,
Can we go ahead and just certify that there's a quorum and
Sure.
who's online?
okay.
So just for the record, it is March 15th. The meeting started at 9:38. We are here in the Commissioner's courtroom. Present with us is Commissioner Chesney, Commissioner Jag, who's presiding over the meeting today, Commissioner Hernandez, and virtually we have County Judge Barbara Canales and Commissioner John Mares.
On Zoom. Okay, now go to the next.
Oh,
I'm sorry?
Are you
Pledge.
going to do the pledge? Because it's noticed.
do the
Pledge.
pledge.
Oh, yes. We don't need to, we don't want to say a prayer or not?
There's no,
We didn't notice.
Okay, we're
in
going to
the
go ahead
motion.
and at this time just go into the Pledge of Allegiance, okay?
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
And
Okay,
then-
we're going to go ahead to discuss and consider selection of applicants, but before that, we're going to go into executive sessions. And public notice is given that the Commissioners Court may elect to go into an executive session anytime during the meeting to discuss matters listed anywhere on the agenda when authorized by the provisions of the Open Meeting Act, Chapter 551 of the Texas Government Code, to the extent there has been a past practice of distinguishing items for public deliberation and those for executive session. The public is advised that the court is departing from the practice and reserves the right to discuss and list agenda items in executive session when authorized by law to do so. In the event the Commissioners Court elects to go into executive session regarding an agenda item, the session or sessions of the Open Meeting Act authorizing the executive session will publicly announced by the presiding officer in accordance with the authority of the Government Code, Vernon's Texas Code, Section 551.071, 551.072, 551.073, 551.074, 551.0745, and 551.076, and also 551.086 and 551.087. The Commissioners Court will hold an executive session to consult with the attorney, including matters related to litigation, deliberation regarding real property, prospective gifts, personal matters, including termination, county advisory bodies, security devices, and/or economic development, negotiations, and other matters that may be discussed in executive session. Upon completion of the executive session, the Commissioners Court may, in an open session, take such action as appropriate on items discussed in the executive session. At this time, we'll have to clear the room.
Yes, and before you do that, Commissioner, if you don't mind, just for the clerk's sake, item number C, announcement of disclosure of conflicts of interest. My understanding is there is no conflicts of interest being announced today, so that would be none. And then with regards to public comment, I just want the record to show we did have our list outside. Nobody signed up for public comment. And Connie, I don't believe that there's any public comment on online either.
With that, thank you very much, Bill. With that being said, at this time, I will ask to clear the room and proceed with the interviews.
It's 9:44.
9:44. Thank you. Okay, we're back in open session. So
At 10:30.
at 10:30. So other than that, we decided to go ahead and wait till we do the other second interview before going into discussions on the applicants. So anybody have anything you want to say?
You just need to recess this meeting.
We're going to recess today until tomorrow when we have the second application, and that'll be at what time? 12 o'clock noon. So, anything else? So, meeting adjourned.
Thank you.
Meeting adjourned.